Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm the National Sales Manager for the Class B products at Tiffin Motor Homes. And we're here at the Tampa Super Show, and we're excited to unveil the 2024 Tiffin GH1 Adventure Van. This thing is full of tons of features. I'm excited to go through them for you today. It starts right at the top. You can see this low profile, very high-end custom roof rack that we designed at Tiffin. It's matching your step rails, your fully welded fixed ladder on the side of the van. It's truly the highest end components that we could select that we were very excited to put on this product. So the wrap on the front is actually a Diamond Shield product. It's got a 7-year warranty, lots of protective properties, very easy to wax and clean up bugs and scratches and debris. And the profile of these vehicles get a lot of snow on them, usually in the winter and in the mountains. And so it's nice to be able to brush that off and know you're not going to scratch off the hood and the paint, right? Inside the hood here, we have an ARB onboard air compressor. There's both front and rear chucks on the van. So the front chuck is here, easy. It's got a nice cap on it that you can connect. Go up to 100 PSI on this. This thing is equipped at the chassis. It's a fully loaded Mercedes Sprinter 2023 all-wheel drive chassis. It's got the 4-cylinder turbo engine, all of the safety features that you're looking for in a van, adaptive cruise control, wind assist, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and power and heated seats, which is a really nice touch. You've got your backup camera and also your 360-degree parking cameras, which are really nice. In the front here, we add in the Fox shocks. It's a new system that we partnered with Agile Off-Road to develop with Fox. They've got the 2.0 in the front, the Fox 2.5 in the rear with the Agile Off-Road bracket. The unit comes equipped with all-terrain BF Goodrich KO2 tires, as well as the Vision wheels. We're really excited about our new Tiffin Adventure Van logo. These are 3D decals. They look great. So in the back of the van, we really wanted to leave it clean. One of the things with a lot of feedback comes with these adventure vans is all these external ports on the van, too much branding. That's not what people are looking for. So we've got our nice subtle branding of the Tiffin in the front. This is a customizable door. There's no holes punched in it. There's no back ladders. So it's truly a clean slate for you to be able to customize your van and carry the gear that you want to carry. In the back, it's a 5,000-pound tow hitch. You've also got a sewer hose and your rear chuck. And one of the things that we love about this vehicle from an off-road standpoint is you've got that Fox shock suspension system, which is going to help you on-road and off-road, but a ton of ground clearance. The exhaust is coming out back in the rear. It's not on the camp side, which is going to cause problems with clearance. We wanted a true off-road experience, and in order to do that, you have to maximize the clearance. Really excited about our new GRE AC unit as well. It's a 15,000 BTU AC unit. Very low wattage. It's going to help you with that long battery life that you're looking for. So the first thing you'll see on this side of the van, of course, is our new fixed, fully welded aluminum and steel ladder. And it's awesome. It looks good. You can hang gear on it. It's extremely stable. It's nice and tight to the van. Once you put gear on the ladder, you're not going to have a ton of wind resistance and affect that miles per gallon. This is a great ladder. You're going to love it. It's extremely durable, allows you to get up on the roof for gear access as well as solar panel cleaning and to access your Starlink Pro, which is an optional feature on this van. On the roof as well, we have 220 watts of solar. It's a Go Power system and it pairs well with the lithium-ion battery system and our new Victron inverter as well. Our smart plug, it's a 30-amp smart plug. You can completely disconnect this. It's a stainless steel cap. It's going to help with dust and debris for the long haul. Everything that we've put into it is really to make sure that this is off-road ready and is going to last for a very long time. So we've seen the outside of the vehicle. Take a look at the inside of the back rear garage area for the Tiffin GH1. A few things about the construction quality of the van. At Tiffin, we believe in a superior build quality. We want an RV that's going to last. Our van comes with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty from Tiffin. So we're backing that up with our warranty and our service experience at Tiffin. From a construction standpoint, all of our plastics that are used in the van are going to be a much thicker grade. You've got all your tie-down points, molly plates, the euroloft bed, it's their latest version. It's an 800-pound capacity. And you've noticed these RGBs, fully controllable. You just download the app. You can turn this any shade or color. It creates these nice light waves. It's just a really way to set the ambiance. We've got all the little features here. So our garage light, easy to access in the back. Only one main power disconnect, which is important. This van comes with 540 amp hours of battle-born lithium ion. It also comes with a 3,000 watt Victron inverter. So a simple, proven, and tested system. The batteries have onboard heat that automatically kick on at 35 degrees, and the gray tank has electric heat pads that kick on at 40 degrees automatically. So as long as this main disconnect's on, you don't have to remember to turn on any of your features to keep the vehicle warm and to make sure when you're camping in the snow or skiing like I like to do. Here's your water side on over here. There's a 26-gallon fresh water tank. That's best in class for this category. The flooring that we use is a lawn seal flooring, right? So extremely high end, very durable, and also insulation. So our insulation, we use an extremely thick, hydrophobic, basically a synthetic wool. And we buy it so that it's completely kitted. So every piece of insulation has a tag, it has a number, we know exactly where it goes. So it can't slip, it can't move. It's gonna provide you all the insulation property that you're gonna want in an all-weather, all-season van. Our flooring, there's no plywood in our flooring. Completely composite honeycomb flooring, great insulation value, but also it's just a really, it's all CNC router cut. Everything fits, like the van is tight. It sounds good when you drive it. There's no rattling or shaking or anything like that. Everything's been designed and engineered to be nice and fit and to be fully sealed. The ceiling itself has got fiberglass as well as the soft touch. There's no plywood in the roof. All of the components, like the major batteries that are big and heavy, they're all bolted to powder-coated steel, right? So we don't want corrosion in your van. You don't want corrosion in your van. And so we've made sure that every element of it has really been thought through. And that's your garage. So of course your bed comes down, creates a nice full bed experience, but you'll still have room for gear. Also very high-end bug shield, bug screens, the euroloft branded product. We use that on the rear of the vehicle as well as on your side door, side entry door. Very proven. These things are screwed in, they're nice and tight. They're gonna give you a really good screen that's gonna last a long time. So welcome to the main entry of the van. A couple fun things that we did. Of course, we love this table. It's simple to operate. It's extremely robust. These cables, they're reinforced on anything that's a composite material. They also are adjustable. So all our tank drains are out here. You can easily see your fresh tank drain, cold and hot, easy to navigate. We've got 110 right here, which is helpful if you're cooking outside or you got a blender going. We've got 110 here as well. We've got our 12-volt fridge. And a fun little feature on this is it actually doubles as a whiteboard. Here's the controls for the ARB, so your onboard air compressor. The chassis has to be running because it's wired to that battery, but you just flip that switch, it fully charges, and then you can use the air chucks. Your water pump is here, your awning controls, and then your porch lighting. So it's easy to reach this and have the lighting on the outside of the vehicle. In the van, which you can see some of the exterior points, overhead here, we've got our RGB lighting in your storage compartment. Got this nice curtain rod here where you can hang towels or gear off of, but you can also hang a curtain if you wanted to close off the front cab. These seats are very comfortable. They're a Montage Ultra Leather. We've got our new Tiffin Adventure T on the back of them. They actually go left to right, so it gives you space. You know, it's a full adult-sized seat with a 3-point harness that's integrated into it, so it's really good. It's also got the safety harnesses for a baby seat carrier as well. So like I mentioned, they go left to right, gives you a little more experience, a little more room, actually gives you a lot of room. They go front to back, which is nice, and then they recline as well. So you can really kind of kick back and relax when you're cruising down the highway, heading wherever you're going. So all your controls for the van are here. Your euroloft bed, the lighting in the vehicle, nice and simple switches, right? All the feedback on adventure vans is don't give me these multiplexing complex systems that are hard to troubleshoot. So we kept that through. You've got your AquaHawk controls, the new GRE AC, as well as your battery state of charge. And we use a sea level tank monitoring system. So it's the highest end tank monitoring system that we can find. And so that's what we put on this van. Our cabinetry is extremely tight, right? Aluminum framed cabinets bolted into the van, felt touch, 110 here, and they're soft close. So they kind of close themselves and then you can really latch them down. The Starlink equipment, which is on this vehicle that we're in right now, but is also an optional feature of the GH1, which is the Starlink Pro. It's mounted and tucked in here. Still gives you really nice space for backpacks and any gear you want to put up front. It's vented. There's 110 in here, and we still have the accessory roof outlet as well. So even if you buy the unit without the Starlink Pro, it comes pre-wired with the Starlink proprietary cable. And so it's a very easy install if that's something you want to add later on. In the kitchen area, we have a solid surface countertop and overhead cabinets here. Really nice, very sturdy, JBL speaker. You know, there's some features that, you know, vans just did well, and this portable induction cooktop is just really nice. So we kept that. It fits right in here. You can move it around. You can cook on this countertop. You can cook outside. This is your closet, your shower, and your toilet, right? So our showers are very thick. So we actually took a standard RV plastic shower and redesigned it so that it would be double the thickness. It's important because when you're off-road in those bumpy environments, you don't want your plastic shower to be cracking or breaking. You also don't like going in here and it just feels cheap. No, this doesn't feel cheap. It's really solid, feels good when you're inside it. You've got a full-size toilet. It swivels so you can pivot, and we have the shower miser system. So when you take our AquaHot 125 continuous loop on-demand hot water heater and you pair that with a shower miser system, it's a recirculation loop, right? So as the water temperature comes up to where you want it, this little dial here it'll turn kind of a purple color, and when it does that, you know that you've got on-demand hot water. You flip the switch and out comes hot water. In the back here, you know, we do have our night shades and also the screen, right? So if you want to pop those windows open and relax, you're not going to get bugs back here. We also have a dimmable switch. So if you're back here and it's light and you don't want these super bright LED lights on, you can easily do some reading and then go to bed. We know you're going to love this van. We're very proud to finally launch it. We took our time, you know, thoughtfully designed, incredibly powerful performance from an off-road standpoint and livability. This thing is going to last. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, go check out generalrv.com for the 2024 Tiffin GH1.